Chu Yuan, the poet.
A long time ago in China, there was a famous poet named Chu Yuan. He was one of the emperor's most loyal servants. However, the emperor's advisors were very jealous of Chu Yuan. They said terrible things to make him look bad. Unfortunately, the emperor believed them and forced the poet to return to his village. Upset about losing the emperor's trust, Chu Yuan decided to end his own life. So, on the 5th day of the 5th lunar month, he jumped into the Milo River and drowned himself. The people in the village felt Chu Yuan was a noble man and were saddened to hear about his death. So, as a way of paying respects, they threw bamboo leaves filled with rice into the river and beat on drums. This was to keep the fish from destroying his body. And to honor the poet's memory, the village made rice dumplings and held boat races on that same day every year. Now, we call this time of year Dragon Boat Festival. We celebrate it to remember Chu Yuan's devotion to the emperor.